Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about the chapter energy. So don't delay, let's proceed to the session. That is just a minute. Okay, that is the chapter energy. Clear? Again, that is chapter number 3. So in this chapter, you have to learn about the first, that is energy. That means in detailed what is energy. Detailed discussion will be there. And in the second, law of law of conservation of energy. Clear? Law of conservation of energy and transformation. Clear? So in this particular video I will discuss the first para, that means the first part, that is energy, and the second part, that is up to law of conservation of energy. Clear? In the second part we will discuss the energy transformation. Now coming to the point, that is first you need to understand what is energy. Clear? The first thing, work and energy. Work and energy, remember this always. Work and energy are closely related to each other. Work and energy are closely related to each other. Clear? That is very important. Now coming to the point, that means the definition of energy. The energy is defined as the capacity or capability or ability to do a work. What is the definition? That is very simple definition. Very simple definition. Clear? What is the definition? Just a minute. Yes. So energy is defined as ability or capability or capacity to do a work. The ability or capability or capacity to do a work is called energy. That is the simple definition. Clear? Now, whenever whenever work is done, whenever a work is done, there is there is there is always a change or transfer of energy. Clear? Whenever a work is done, so there is a change or transfer of energy. Clear? That is very important. Now the SI unit of energy, what will be the SI unit of energy? The SI unit of energy will be joule. What will be? That is joule. Again, the SI unit of energy is the same as that of work. Clear? The SI unit of the energy is same as that of work. Whatever the energy, or sorry, whatever the unit of work, the unit of energy will be same. Clear? So the SI unit, the SI unit or unit of the energy will be what? Joule. Clear? SI unit কি হবে? Energy will be, the SI unit of the energy will be joule. Clear? Again the CGS unit will be arc. Clear? Just you can remember also, that is advanced study. The CGS unit of the energy is arc. Clear? Clear or not? I hope it is clear. Again SI unit is joule. Clear? Okay. Forms of energy. Clear? Forms of energy. Energy can be divided. Energy can be divided. Energy can be divided into two parts. Clear? Two main types. That means two parts. The first one is, the first is kinetic energy. Clear? That is, the first is kinetic energy and the second is potential energy. Clear? First is kinetic and the second is potential. Clear? Now, what is kinetic energy? What is the definition of kinetic energy? The energy that an object has due to its change due to its state of motion. Clear? That is very very important. The energy that an object has due to its state of motion is called kinetic energy. That means it is due to the state of motion. Clear? That motion term is very very important. Again, the mathematical form of kinetic energy is ek. This is kinetic energy ek. Clear? Energy k means kinetic. Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. Clear? What is the mathematical form of kinetic energy? Half mv square. Just remember it. Now, here m is the mass of the body. Clear? Here the m is mass of the body. Clear or not? যেটা তুমি মেজার করতে চাইছো তার মাস, এই বডির মাস. Again v, what is v? V is the velocity of that particular body. What is v? V is the velocity of that particular body. Clear? Now listen, here velocity is present. Clear? So if you see here, velocity is present. Again, velocity is present in the case of motion. Clear? When velocity will present? কখন velocity আসবে? If there is any motion. Clear? That's why in the definition, that is due to its state of motion. Clear? Due to its state of motion. Clear or not? I hope it is clear. For example, a running kids. Clear? That is a picture also. Running kids. Running kids means there is a specific mass of this particular girl. Clear? If that particular girl, there is a specific mass of this boy. Clear? As well as they are running. Clear? That's why there is also a motion. That means m also present, mass also present, and motion, that means velocity also present. That's why there will be a kinetic energy. Clear? A moving body and flying kites. Clear? Flying kite have kinetic energy. Clear or not? Clear? That is very important. More the speed of motion, more is the kinetic energy of motion. Clear? That means the simple thing, if v is high or velocity is high, in that particular case ek, that means kinetic energy, will be high. If motion বেশি হয়, kinetic energy will be high. The motion কম হয়, if v is low, in that case, if v is low or the velocity of the body is low, in that case kinetic energy will be low. Simple thing. Clear? Because mass is always fixed. 15 kg, ধরো তোমার mass 15 kg. Clear? তো 15 kg তো always 15 kg, but তোমার speed maybe তুমি আস্তে আস্তে ছুটছো, but maybe তুমি স্পিডে ছুটছো, whatever, depending on the situation. Clear? I hope you understand. Now the next, that is the potential energy. So what is potential energy? The energy that an object has due to its position. That is very very important. Due to its position is called potential energy. So potential position, just you can remember like that. Potential position, pp. Potential is there, potential that is starting p, position starting p. The energy that an object has due to its position is called potential energy. Clear? Again, the mathematical form of the potential energy, that is ep, that means energy potential equal to mgh. Here m is the mass of the body, here m is the mass. G, what is g? G is one kind of acceleration. Clear? Just try to remember this. G is one kind of acceleration. Here the name of the acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. Clear? Again, h is the specific height. There will be a specific height. let's say this point to this point, there will be height, so that is h. Clear? Okay. The potential energy also called stored energy. Clear? The potential energy is called, that is very important, the potential energy is called, also called stored energy. Clear? Store means joma thaka, stored energy. So following two ways, that is, the first is when an object rises to some height. Clear? When an object rises to some height, in that particular case potential energy generate. Clear? When when an object is rise to some height, clear, above the ground, clear, that means ground level to there will be height, in that particular case there will be a potential energy. That means there will be generation of potential energy. For example, okay, just read this para, nothing very important, just read this next para. When an object is stressed, that means কোনো একটা বস্তুকে when an object is stressed or compressed, in that particular case also there is a generation of potential energy. Clear? For example stretching band naki, a stretched rubber band. Clear? There is a picture also, that means stretched rubber band. Clear? Like that you can see, so that is potential energy. That is an example of potential energy. Clear? In the first case mgh, that is the formula, there is a height, and in the second case if an object is stretched or compressed, clear, in that case, or bent, whatever, so there will be generation of potential energy. Clear? So just little bit revision, just brief revision. Energy, ability or capability to do a work, ability or capability to do a work, first called energy. The unit of energy is SI unit is joule and CGS unit is arc. Clear? And it is equivalent to the energy of work, it is equivalent to the unit of work. That means energy and work are closely related to each other. Again, two types energy, that means first type is kinetic, second is potential. The mathematical form of kinetic energy is half mv square, and in the case of potential energy mgh. I hope it is clear. Now the last point is that is very important, just a minute. Yes, the kinetic energy and the potential energy are together called mechanical energy. Try to remember this. Kinetic energy and potential energy are together called mechanical energy. Clear? Okay, I hope you understand, but still if you have any doubt, just you can ask me. Okay, now law of conservation of energy. Clear? Law of conservation of energy, that is very important, just you need to remember also. That is, energy can be neither created nor destroyed. That is very important point. Energy can be neither created nor destroyed. Clear? However, one form to another form, one form of energy can be changed or transformed into another. Clear? One form of energy can be changed or transformed to another. That means maybe heat energy to light energy. That is change or transformation of energy. Clear? This is called the law of conservation of energy. Clear? That is very very important. What is law of conservation of energy? Energy can be neither created, energy কে তৈরি করা যায় না, nor destroyed, ধ্বংস করা যায় না. Clear? However, যদিও energy can be transferred. Clear? That means one form to another. Clear? Energy can be changed or transferred into one form to another. That is called laws of conservation of energy. Clear? Little bit of brief idea. Let's say electrical energy. Electrical energy to whatever light energy. কারেন্ট থেকে কি হচ্ছে আমরা লাইট পাচ্ছি যদি আমরা বাল্ব জ্বালাই ইন দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার কেস তাহলে আমরা কি হচ্ছে সো ইলেকট্রিক্যাল এনার্জি টু লাইট এনার্জিতে কনভার্সেশন দ্যাট মিন্স ওয়ান ফ্রম টু অ্যানাদার দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য চেঞ্জ অফ স্টেট ওয়ান ফ্রম টু অ্যানাদার ফ্রম দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড laws of conservation of energy. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt you can ask me. So that is all for today. We will meet in the another session, that means in the second session. So till then, tata, bye bye, and take care.